This is the elevator at Zoetermeer train station. Ooh, it smells like piss in here. It's disgusting.
It's always so.
Bridge.
Elevators in the railway station here always smells piss.
10,000 kilograms, 13 persons.
Door closed.
Very dark in here. They covered up the window. It's hydraulic, you can hear it.
1,000 kilogram or 13 persons.
That's for sure. It's WDEV.
Now we go down again.
It's very slow. It has the old bumpers. It's a boring elevator. They covered up all the windows. There's the phone.
It's difficult to film it, but...
Watch the button go out. We'll send it up again. Look at the bump. I'll walk around. There's the machine room. Here's this from the back. Hi.
Here's the elevator.
There it goes.
It's hydraulic.
Yes, it's in-ground hydraulic. There it goes, and that's it.